Hello everyone, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Make Gracia. In this video, you are going to learn about the Fusion 360 designing software installation and the downloading. Okay, now how to install this Fusion 360 designing software, that is possible by using the Google Chrome. So that open the Google Chrome. As I have opened the Google Chrome here, just search here, that is download Fusion 360. As you enter the download Fusion 360 and press enter, just type the Fusion 360, enter, and just press enter. You can find the many links are open here. Now you have to open this kind of link, which is from the autodesk.in. Okay, so autodesk.in is a standard website where you can download the Fusion 360, which is from the Autodesk. Okay, now just click here. As I'm clicking on the download Fusion 360 for the free trial, just click here. As I have clicked here, the you will reach to the Autodesk website. As I have reached to the Autodesk website, you can find the many options here. As select your intended use of Autodesk Fusion 360. Okay, now you have to open this link. Okay, this is the Fusion 360 for the educational use. Now this Fusion 360 downloading is for 3 years, and it will be eligible for the 3 years. You can download it and you can use it for the 3 years, and especially in the Microsoft, especially in the Microsoft or the Macro Word, which is having the 64 bits. Okay, it is not compatible for the 32 bits Macro Office system. Okay, so just click here, that is the Fusion 360 for the educational use. As you click on a Fusion 360 for the educational use, then another options will be appeared here, that is the get started. Now see, this is the get started option. Now open this get started option, just click here. As you click on a get started option, as you click here, now you can find some information here. It is asking, I hope you already have the account on Autodesk. If you don't have the account on Autodesk, it is necessary to create the account. So I already have the account, so directly I will select the already I have an account, so I will just click on a sign in. So if you don't have an account, so you can fill this all information and you can create and verify your account, that you are downloading this for the educational purpose. Okay, now I'm clicking on a sign in option. Now as I have clicked on a sign in option, it will ask to enter the email ID. Now I'm entering the email ID as. Now see, I have entered my email ID and just click on a next option. As I have clicked on a next option, you need to enter the password. Now I am entering the password here. Now I have just entered the password and click on a sign in. As you click on a sign in option, now whatever the mobile number you have registered, on that mobile number you will get one of the OTP password. As you enter that OTP password on that option, one of the option will be there. So as you enter the OTP option, OTP on the given link, now it will directly open the downloading link. Now see here, it is asking me hi, and you are able to download the Autodesk Fusion 360. Now Autodesk Fusion 360 is easily to download, and also the another softwares are available here. You can see the many softwares are available from the Autodesk, which you can download here. Now right now I have to download this Fusion 360. Okay, now as I click on a Fusion 360 get product, now you need to select the access. As you click on access, now see here, it is asking and it is giving the message that thank you for downloading the Fusion 360. As this page opens within a second, you can see at this corner, Fusion 360 client extension file has been opened here. Okay, has been downloaded. Now you can click on this option. Now see, as I'm opening this option, now just select this arrow, open the show in a folder, select the show in a folder. Now see, this client downloader is available here. Now you can click the left mouse button and just click the run as administrator. As you click on a run as administrator, your downloading will be start here. Okay, now see, the downloading has been started here. Okay, now wait until it downloads 100% downloading तक आपको इसको wait करना है. Okay, as the 100% download completes, it will directly open the Fusion 360 software. Now the downloading is completed here. You can see here, this is a 99 100% downloading is completed here. Now as the downloading completes here, Autodesk Fusion 360 software will directly open here. Now you need to create the team. Before creating the team, it will ask to enter again your email ID and the password. So just enter the email ID and password here. Whatever the email ID you had, you have to enter the same email ID and the same password. Similarly, you will get the once again you will get the OTP. So you just you will enter that OTP, and then it will be easily downloaded. Sorry, it will be easily open, and it will create the team. You need to create the team, and then your software will start here. Now see here, giving the message that welcome, and then it is asking to create the team. Just click on a create team. Yes, click here. Now give any name, whatever is your name. Just put your name as a team member or enter a team name. So just give the any name and click on a next button. Again click on a create. Please wait while we set up your team. This may take a few moments. कुछ moments में ये start हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. You are ready to use. Now go to team. Just click on a go to team. As you click on a go to team, this software will be start. Got it? Just press on a got it. Now here the Autodesk designing software has been started, and it is very easy to use. Now in upcoming videos I am going to upload the tutorials on the complete Autodesk Fusion 360, that how to use this software. Okay, I hope you understand this video, that how to download the Fusion 360 designing software. If you like the video, then please subscribe. See you in the next videos. Thank you.